Good morning, respected viewers, and good morning, respected ones. Hope that you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Success with Ma'am Amara. Hope that you all are good, you all are well, and you enjoy my lecture regarding English grammar, English language with the strong motivation as well. As you better know that today, as you better know that I also give you a lecture regarding motivation. As you better know that motivation is very important, is very important, through which we can inspire ourselves, we can make ourselves strong, we can make our mind energetic with the positive thinking, okay, today we are going to discuss about our inspirational quote, through which I want to give you a very good lesson, through which I can tell you about the author, and also give you hidden meaning of this quote as well. Okay, okay, we start our today learning. I hope of that this lecture will be this lecture is a very important one, very energetic to all of you. Okay, okay, we start our today learning, today motivational lecture. Okay, winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Okay, first we try to understand this beautiful quote. Winners don't do different things, means to say winners don't do different things, but they do things differently. What a beautiful quote, which is given by Shiv Khera. Okay, what a beautiful quote he has given us. He has given us that he want to say that, means to say, if you have opportunity to do something, you need to do with good potential. We need to do our work with the good energy, with the full energy, full potential as well. Okay, okay, we start. First I want to give you a brief introduction regarding Shiv Khera. Okay, Shiv Khera is a very influential, renowned author in India. Okay, I want to give you a brief introduction regarding Shiv Khera. Shiv Khera is a well-known Indian author, motivational speaker and educator as well. Okay, he became famous for writing self-help and personal development books. Okay, he became famous for writing self-help and personal development books. Okay, personal development books like that. He also has written about the important topics like discipline, success, personal growth, leadership. Okay, all these things, all these topics also touched by Shiv Khera. Okay, and that inspire people to build confidence, means to say he also inspire people, means to say he is also a great one. This is also the indication of successful person, like that. He not only inspired by self, but also inspires other. Okay, also inspires other, that inspire people to build confidence, develop positive habits and achieve success. Okay, this is a brief introduction regarding our author Shiv Khera. Okay, okay, now we are going to understand the hidden lesson of our quote. Okay, what a beautiful quote I have given to you, which is said by Shiv Khera. Winners don't do different things. Okay, means to say they also do the things, but they do things differently. They do things differently. Okay, we start we start our we try to, I want to give you understanding regarding this quote. Successful people often use the same opportunities as others. Okay, he want to say that successful people also successful people often use the same opportunities as others, but they approach them with better habits. मीन्स टू से, देखिए बेटा, काम तो हर कोई करता है, लेकिन काम को अच्छा करके करना, यानी काम को अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझ के करना, ये हर कोई नहीं करता. ओके, we try to understand that successful people often use the same opportunities. Means to say, they also have the opportunities, but they also approach them with better habits. Because if successful if person is if good person also attained a good responsibility, he also proved that. Means to say, he also proved that by doing his work, he has done his work. Okay, he also done his work with the good responsibility, with good habits. He also touched in it. Okay, and he also put attitudes and persistence. Okay, what a great lesson he has given. That means to say, you can improve your work, you can make your work extraordinary with persistence, better habits and attitudes as well. Okay, because these all are the pillars, these all are the things which adopted by successful people. Okay, this quote means that successful people are not necessarily more talented or gifted than others. Means to say, he want to say that successful people are also not a gifted one, not talented one, but they often achieve success because they have a different attitude to do different things. Okay, but they have different attitude, better habits, stronger discipline. Okay, means to say that if you have good habits to do things with persistence, to do things with strong discipline, you also become a successful person. You also transform yourself into successful person as well. Okay, this quote also teaches us that confidence combined with good habits and consistent efforts leads to success. What a good thing, what a great thing he want to say. That what a great thing is said by Shiv. He want to say that he also teaches us that confidence combined with good habits. Means to say, if you are confident with good habits and consistent efforts, all these things turn into a good success. All these things leads to a big success as well. What a great lesson, what a great thing, what a great or beautiful lesson he has taught us. What a great lesson Shiv has given us. Hope of that you enjoy it. Hope of that you understand the lesson, the hidden lesson of this quote. Hope of that you understand it, and hope of that you also transform yourself into a hard work person. Also decorated yourself with the persistence, with hard work, with discipline, or good habits, good attitude as well. Because all these things, all these important features transform you a successful person. Hope of that you understand it. I have one humble request to you, dear viewers. Please subscribe my channel. Please share my lectures with your friends, with all your friends. Thank you so much.